Today is day 156 of Blender. It is also Wednesday, July 13th, 2022, and I'm going to do another text animation, but I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be following this tutorial by Bradley Animation, which is kind of has a similar principles of like the text with geometry nodes, but then it's completely different when it comes to animation, and it's completely different when it comes to the some other nodes. I believe he's in another workspace, but yeah, anyway, I'm gonna follow it and we'll see how we do. So let me open up a new Blender file, and then wait, I'm on my old laptop, so this might take a while. Alright, so general, and then I go to geometry nodes, and I'm gonna go over here, click on new, disconnect this, shift A, string to curves, connect it to my output so that I'm able to see it, oops, and then connect the actual string to my input so that I'm able to see it over here and change it to something, I don't know what I want to change it to. I'll just do my name. Sarai. Right, okay, I'll do Sarai. Then I'll go to object properties over here and change the rotation of the X to be 90 degrees. So it rotates along the X axis, which is the red axis. And then I'll go here, do Shift A, fill curve, and just change that to n-gons, right? The difference is that if I go into wireframe mode, it's very messy, and if I change the fill type to n-gons, it evens out the vertices and such. Alright, and then I'll do Shift A, yes, I'll do Shift A and I'll do extrude mesh and put that right in there and change the value to be 0.1, and so that I can actually change it over here in modifier properties, I'll just input or connect the value to the input over here so I can change it here. Alright, and then I'll do Shift A, join geometry over here so that it's filled at the back also. It joins both of the effects. Okay. So that's it for that. I'll also probably change the font to be Arial Black, and that's it. Okay, so now on to following the actual tutorial. I believe he goes back to the modeling, or what is he, or maybe he is using geometry nodes. I don't know. Let's go back. Let's see. I don't have a noding. What is a noding? What version is this? When was this? 4 months ago. Is it me? Am I the problem? I don't have a noding layout. Let me see. Add, general. I don't see noding. Is it literally geometry nodes? I don't see it. Is it is it shading? Like, what is it? Animation? Oh no, I should save this. This is gonna take a while. This is gonna be a long day. Oh god. Control S, change it to, what's today's date? 7/13/22 .blend. Save that in my Blender, in my blends, put that in there. Okay. So I don't think it's that. How about animation? No, it's not that either. I don't even know. What is that geometry nodes? It is, right? It's a geometry node. It's a, yeah. Okay, get out. Okay. Yeah, I think it's geometry nodes. I think it was just called noding back then. But no, I know that it goes somewhere else, or not. Oh, he's still, wait. Oh, because he creates like a new mesh, or like a new object. Okay, so we'll wait from there. Alright, so at this point I believe duplicates it. Okay, so I select this and I do Shift D to duplicate, and I'll just do G to grab, and then Y to grab on the Y-axis. Let me just turn on my shortcuts. Okay, and then I'll call this Sarai, and I'll call this one Malte, and then I wonder, okay, so this one I can change it to Malte, and I'll change to Malte. Okay. Wait, why am I putting my name on? Well, my name is already online, isn't it? Do I have my last name in my channel? Oh yeah, I do. Okay, yeah. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so now what? Alright, so he creates a new object, so Shift A, and I like to do cubes, I don't know. I'm gonna call it animation over here in the outliner, and I'll also create a new geometry node and call it animation here as well. Right, and disconnect that. There we go. Okay, so back to here. Oops, wrong thing. Where am I? Here. So he takes the object information node of each element. So if I go to my animation, and let me just scroll in here. I select, nope, I go back to my animation, and I go to the outliner and I drag Sarai into here, and then I go to the outliner and then drag Malte into here, and those are the object informations for both. So that's one, and then this is the other. Okay, moving on. Nope, wrong thing. Why do I keep clicking that? Okay, moving on. Okay, so apparently, if I do this, wait, I'm confused. Geometry. Interesting. So then what can I see? Hold on, did I mess a step? Wrong thing again. Did I hide? Oh my god, he did hide the other ones. Oh, he did hide the other ones. Alright, so he hides these. So I'm gonna hide them. And then now they're gonna appear like this in a new geometry node thingy. Then I'll probably have to do 90 degrees on the X again. And then both of them won't appear at the same time, and so join geometry, Shift A, join geometry would join both not join string, X, Shift A, join geometry would join both strings into the output here. Okay. Alright, what's next? Okay, so I have the point distribution. I paused it, right? Pause it. Okay, so Shift A, point distribution. Is it distribute point on faces? I don't think that one's it. Am I missing something? Oops, wrong thing. G point distribution. G point. I don't have that. G point distribution. Shift A. G. Really? Set point radius. Okay, hold on. Is it because I don't have Node Wrangler on? Where is my add-ons? I do have Node Wrangler on. Point distribution. Let me see if it's a problem in the comments. Oh. Yeah, me too. Well, I guess it's because he found it. I didn't find it. Same. From the link to the idea of building a scene here. What? I've made this concept into a preset. Oh, he made it? Wow. That's amazing. Okay. Point distribution node, so I can download it where? Here? Free animation nodes, a program. here? Where is the point? Hello? Animation nodes. No, I didn't want to download it. Oh my god, no. No. Is it this one? Let me see. What's it called again? I've made this concept into a preset. You can download it for free in the link in the description. It's called Point Distribute Node. Is it here? Is it somewhere here? Hello? Where are they? Data structures. Ooh, I'm not even gonna get into that. It's gonna be a rabbit hole for me. Okay. I don't see it. Oh, nodes. Point. Simulation. Vector. Viewer. Object. NumPy. Ooh. Animation. Nope. Where is it? Geometry. Is there anything in here? I can't see it. Spline. Action. Hello? I don't even know where to get it from. Is it here? Hello? Girly is confused. Hello? 0, sorry. What? Maybe I should just watch the video because, like, how about I just upload the file? Maybe that would work, you know? That would probably work, yeah. Okay, so go to Blender. No, edit, preferences, add-on, install, desktop, this one. Are you serious? This is depressing. What if I do downloads and then, oh my god, it's not here. I am so annoyed. What is even any of this? I don't. Great. So like, what do I do? Maybe if I watch the video. It's not showing how to download though. Oh my god. I don't even know. Not this problem again. Okay, what if I put this at the desktop? And then go back here, install desktop. Huh. Are you serious? Are you actually kidding? What is going on? Why does this always happen? I don't even know how to get it. Okay. Let's see. No, no. 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 Maybe this one. I have activated FC4 presets to activate. Are you serious? Am I supposed, is it Python file? Is that why? Nope, wrong thing. I don't see it. Is it this? Is it presets.py? It's literally still not there. Oh my god, here we go. This is all, every video there's always something that takes 5 hours. Oh my god, okay, let me think. Okay, thanks, sir. I think this happened to me when I was trying to open the shortcut at it's not going back. Great, now it's frozen. Why does this happen to me? Okay, thanks. Alright, think. If this is all, right? Okay, let me just start again. If I go to downloads and I just literally delete everything that I've just done, so all of this stuff, and I go to desktop and I also delete it in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. Edit preferences. Let me get, well, yeah, let me put that on. Install desktop, and it should be, oh, it's this. Ah, see, like, I knew it. Please. Okay, now check that on. And then if I do Shift A and I do point, you're kidding me, right? Are you kidding me? Do I have to literally, what do I have to do? Why doesn't this work? Did I not say node point distribution? Oh, come on. What's going on now? Okay, let me think. This is a geometry node preset made by Bradley's Animation. Blah, blah. Restart Blender. Oh, thank God. Okay, so I have to just restart it. Alright, so now please work. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, thank god. 5 hours. But we got it. We got it. Yes, we did. Okay, G point distribution, thank god. Oh my god. Oh my god, literally, thank god. Thank you, Lord. At least it didn't take 5 hours like last time when I was I'm not even gonna talk about it, it traumatized me. Okay, okay. So I'm linking everything. So let me make my little library thingy today. Today's a new day, so I'll just start from scratch. Not a new day, but kind of like a new thing. What am I doing? Day 156. And then the date is the 13th. And then let me just scroll all the way down, open a Blender template, and just, whoops, wrong thing. Just put that in there. So create bookmark. I don't think, oh no, it's this link that I had to link, not that one. Whoops. I probably should have just gone back. Hold on. Wait, I'm confused. Or not. Okay. How do I go back? Hello? Oh, okay, yeah, here. So this link is what I wanted to link. Go back, paste that in there. Create bookmark. Haven't used that yet. This I have to cite. And this one I will embed the video, so it is known that I used it. What the? Embed video? No, not there. Alright, and then this one didn't really help. Okay. Okay. What am I doing now? Oh my god, he went out without me. Okay, back here. So, if I create that node now, increase the amount, but I don't be seeing it. Like, what? Geometry. Shift D, put that in there. Wait, so, okay, let me go back. So it connects the geometry to the mesh and the points to the geometry. Not to the geometry, to the join geometry. Makes sense. But 937, 1150. Now what? Now why can't I see it? Problem after problem. Alright, if I go to geometry nodes, I'm just gonna put that in here. If I go back, I don't see it. Geometry, points. So the object becomes points, and then that's joined to the geometry, and then it's outputted. So why can't I see it? Like, let me know. Is it because I didn't use transform? Do I not use join geometry? What? Girly is confused. Alright. Are you... Okay. So, what? So this one actually goes here, and this one goes to vector A, this one goes to vector B. Like, girly is confused. Did I use the right one? Vector goes into position, maybe? Goes into geometry. Why is it not working? Oh, it's the position, not the points. How do I use that little tool thingy? I don't think I have that. Detach outputs. Can I turn that on? Hello? I don't even know at this point. Okay, go back. How do I get you back? This way. Alright, detach it from here. Position goes here. And then position goes here. But girly still doesn't see it. Like, what? Okay, what if I just... Okay, hold on. Let me disconnect this from here. Are you serious? Nope, wrong thing. Nope, wrong thing. Girly is confused. Confused. Like, what? Why am I not able to see me? My name. And this is Sarai and then Magda. And it's not as an instance, right? So that's not the problem. I'm not able to see it. Use 3 surprise while to show one file. What is viewpoint distribution? Downloadability of building a scene here. What does a transfer attribute do? Can I get this method to work? It should not have the same target input source. No, not a video. Jesus Christ. Oh, here we go again. What was I doing again? I forgot. I was in Blender, trying to figure my life out. So let me make sense of this. So the object information is my name, and I'm making sure that it's like distributed with points and whatever. So the geometry is connected to the mesh, and then that mesh is distributed or like made into points. And then the position is going into this vector that mixes X, Y, Z, which I know something about position or whatever. And this is supposed to actually be vector A, not factor. And then this is connected to the set position, and that's the position that's set here. Shouldn't it be here? No, here. And then it's output into the geometry, but I don't see it being outputted into the geometry. So someone tell me what am I doing wrong, because girly wants to know. Is it because I don't have a transform? Like, what's going on? Girly is confused. What if I do Shift A? The transform is the same thing as rotating on the X. Like, I don't need that. Yeah, I don't need that. Because I already did that in over here, like manually. I'm just not understanding why it's not here. It must be like a certain number that I'm missing, because literally let me know how. What if I open a new Blender file and try to see if it's just me, if I'm the problem, you know? Or Blender's the problem. If Blender's the problem, then it should work on this one. If I'm the problem, then it shouldn't work on this one. So I'm just gonna go back to Sarai, and I'm just gonna copy all this. Actually, maybe I'll just do from scratch, because every time I copy, it's like copying code. You can mess up because you forget one semicolon. Alright, new. Okay, so geometry nodes. Alright, new, disconnect, Shift A, string to curves, put that in there. Sarai, Alright, and then 90 degrees. Alright, and then fill curve. Change it to n-gons, then extrude mesh. Shift A, by the way. 0.1. And that's literally it. Okay. And then, actually, that's not literally it. Hold on. Join geometry. Happens here. Okay. Alright, and then, what am I doing? Okay, and then I'm creating a new object. So in layout, create a new object cube, and I'll go back to geometry nodes, and I'll click on new, and I'll call this one animation, right? And then I should probably do Shift D, G, Y, have that here. Change that to be Malte. No. No. What is this? Hold on. This one goes into here. Oh, I changed. Oh, oops. Girly is confused. Let me just delete this, right? So Shift D, G, Y. So now I'm gonna change this to say Malte. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, breathe. Object relations, make single user. This won't work because it's not. How about, okay, so this one connects to this one, right? So now if I do Shift D and do GY, if I could change it to, there we go, okay. And then, so apparently I have to make sure it's in the input before I do that so that it actually works. Interesting. Okay, what am I doing now? So layout, Shift A, cube, and then new, disconnect, call it animation, and then, what am I doing? Okay, I'm hiding these two. Okay, and then where's the animation? Oh my god. Nope, wrong thing, this one. Animation, and then this one is Sarai, and then this one is Marte. And then these are, I'm supposed to hide them. And then in the animation, I'm supposed to do Shift A. Actually, I'm supposed to drag their object information into here. All right, so this one goes up top, this one goes here. And then I'm supposed to be able to see it like here. Go and change this to 90 degrees. All right, and then Shift A, point, G point distribution, put that in there. And then I don't see it. Like, tell me how that works. Tell me how that works. But then I believe this person has it. How do I, rude. This wouldn't work, right? Okay. Does it have to do with the way that I set up my geometry nodes at the beginning? So it didn't have an extrude mesh here. And instead it was just that, honestly. But it did have, I unhide it. Right, now I can just add an extrusion. I don't even think that's the problem. So what is it again? Solidify. Wrong thing. Girly is confused. Oops. It's not even working, like what? Oh, is it because I have to do use nodes? Where is... Oh, you know what? I don't even care. I'm just trying to figure out what am I doing wrong. Transform. Oh, I missed that one. realize instances, that is a, oh, well, that's what I was missing. That's on me for going too fast. Okay, realize instances, that's a new one and I have no idea what it is. Let's research. The realize instances node makes any instances efficient duplicates of the same geometry into real geometry data. This makes it possible to affect each instance individually, whereas without this node, the exact same changes are applied to every instance of the same geometry. However, performance can be, oh my god, that's why, because if I hit it, oh my god, because if I hit it in the outliner, right, and if I hide the original in the outliner, like Sarai, right, it hides. But this over here is another instance of Sarai. It's like a duplicate of Sarai, like the geometry. And so what it's saying is, without this node being here, every other instance or every duplicate of Sarai is going to hide if I hide the original. But because I have this node here and I hide Sarai, I'm still able to see the duplicate of Sarai here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god. Oh my god. We love learning. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So to fix this, I go geometry nodes and I believe I just do shift A. Wait, no. Yeah, for Sarai, shift A and realize instances and put that right at the end there. And then over here, it's the same thing, right? Okay. And then for animation, I'm wondering, if I delete this, put the, there we go, even, okay, now it shows up, right? Even if I hide Sarai, right? If I have Sarai, right? Even if I hide the original Sarai, this is still going to appear because it's allowing me to have instances that are individually controlled, right? So if I didn't have the realized instances in Sarai, then I wouldn't be able to control each instance, and whatever action I take in the original one, right over here, will be taken with the other instances of Sarai. So in this case, this is an instance of Sarai. It's a duplicate, right? Because it's not Sarai. It's literally in the animation. I sound crazy by saying instance of my own name. Like, what am I saying? Okay, anyway, yeah, so that's that. So beautiful. So maybe, okay, where's the character spacing? That is, can I control that here? Oops. Something like that. All right, same thing. Okay, now back to here. So at this point, there shift A, and then I do XYZ, G mix XYZ, put that in there. And apparently I'm mixing the position of the first one as a vector A, and then the position of the second one as vector B, and then I'm getting a, what was the other one, a vector math node? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, a set position. So putting that in there, send it to geometry, and then that vector goes from position. Let me see. So set position, and then that one goes A, that one goes B, and then that one goes to the position, and then it disappears until I set the factor to be 0, but I don't see it, so now what's the problem? Is it supposed to be position or offset? Position, right? Oh, meanwhile, the geometry is connected to this geometry. Oh, isn't that beautiful? All right, so I'm trying to make sense of things. Okay, so the G points distribution is a preset made by this person, in whom I forgot their name, and I'm so sorry, Bradley. Okay, Bradley. Okay, made by Bradley. And it basically converts my mesh into points, or distributes my mesh into points, I believe, right? I don't know how it works, but I think that's like the logical intuition, sense, explanation. I don't even know. All right. And then I take the geometry of that, like the point distribution, and I set it to the geometry of the set position, but then the position of the geometry is determined by this preset, which is the XYZ vector, which is very similar to combine XYZ when I do like the normal text animations in geometry nodes. And if I remember correctly, combine XYZ has to do with the direction, kind of how the letters go, or yeah, the direction of where the letters go. And so I'm assuming mix XYZ maybe has something to do with that, but then I wonder why wouldn't they use combine XYZ? So it must be something different, because I'm not sure what it's doing. It's taking the positions of both of them, of both vectors, so both Soraya and Malte, and then doing what? Creating one vector? Is it creating one vector? Is it combining it to be one shape? So that's why when it's animating, it goes from one to the other, question mark? I don't know. I'm just pondering. All right, so then it sets the position. Okay, moving on. And then I have a translate. Is that a transfer attribute? Let me see. So, okay, so I have a transfer attribute, and then it points to target, and then position to attribute, and then that one to vector B instead. Shift A, transfer attribute. Is this the right one? Vector index point, and then point to target and position to attribute. So point to target, but there is no target. So maybe it's source. And then the attribute goes here into vector B instead. So I'm assuming that's what I don't even know. I don't even know. I'm not even gonna bother guessing. All right, and then let me think. It's vector index point, so it's not target anymore, but source. Okay, moving on. Group input. Okay, there's already a group input here though, so I just have to go here and just select the amount and put that in there, and now I can decrease the amount and then increase the amount. Beautiful. All right, moving on. All right, shift A, math, add, put that in there. All right, go back. All right, so then I have to do 3,000, I guess. I don't know. Okay. And then what else is there to it? Oh, that's what it does. Whoa, that's beautiful. So the transfer attribute is what does that thing. It's what, oh my god. So these two nodes work together to create that transition. That's so beautiful. Maybe just a little bit more of character spacing. If I go back to geometry nodes and click on this one, and I can just do some character spacing a little bit like that. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, animation, and then wow, that's amazing. That is beautiful. You know what? Even if I can definitely put this in the input, and I can create an animation like manually how I used to do it. Wow. Wow, I can't stop watching. Whoa. That's beautiful. Okay, moving on. What's the amount of both of them though? So, should put that in there also. Okay. Back here. A math. And then multiply 1.1. What does that one do? So a math node over here, I have to do Shift A, math, put it in here, and I'll just put this one over here, and this over here. So I have to multiply, nope, multiply, where's multiply? Here. And then you said 1.1, and I wonder, so that multiplies what, the amount? Oh, it does, it multiplies the amount. Okay, great. So 0.2 volume, that one reminds me of like the smoke simulation. But I don't know where it goes here. Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, so I decreased the radius. Bless you. Volume to mesh. Interesting. So Shift A, volume to mesh. I'll have to do research on these because I've never used them before. Beautiful. If I just decrease that. Go back up here. 0.08. Something like that. And then let me see. .05. Alright, where was I? I can't even speak. Oh, the video just went along. Alright, so let me see. So, oh, he added a remesh. So he added a, where is it? A remesh, and then he changed that to 0.05. Ooh, voxel size. No way, that's what that is? Oh, the voxels are like the small boxes. And if I do like a fluid simulation, in the domain, it's a voxel. That's like what they use in like, what's that game? Minecraft, yeah, Minecraft. That's all made of voxels. C4, and then that makes it smooth if I go back to the animation, which I don't see. Like, what's going on? Oh, come on. Okay. I would love to know where my geometry nodes are, because I don't see them. Bro, what? I don't see. Where did it go? Oh my god, what is going on? I'm so confused. am genuinely so confused right now. Why can't I add a remesh without it disappearing? Remesh and it disappears. Cool. Oh my god. I can make rocks like this. That's crazy. That is really, really, really pretty. Wow, and blocks. Wow. I can make art. Oh my god, that's like an actual concept. Like I can literally put like the names of my friends like and then remesh it into blocks, right? And then make art of that. And like it's kind of like a secret thing like, oh, your name is in the art, right? And it's gonna just be like blocks, but it's actually your name. Oh my god, that's like a really cool concept. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, back to voxel. I just don't understand like where's the stuff? Like what do I have to, why is it not, why don't I see the geometry nodes anymore? Do I have to apply? No. Let me Google it. Why don't I see geometry nodes when I use remesh? Okay, obviously not answering the question. I don't know. Like, it's in the animation, it's a remesh, like, what else is there to it? Let's see. But how do I... Oh, smooth shading is checked on. Interesting. But I still don't see my... If I apply it... Oh! But that doesn't work still. Like, what? I'm so confused. Does this have to be above? No. Oh! What? Did I... That's so odd. All I did was click on output attributes. That's weird. That's very weird. Okay, anyway, fix that. Moving on. Directional fall off. So Shift A, directional fall off. I can barely see the letters though. Huh? Girlie's confused now. But I can still, like, literally barely see the letters. Like, oh, is it supposed to be like that? I need to see the holes, though. Like, I don't see the holes in the A's. Maybe if I go to Sarai and then go to the sizing. Ooh, that looks ugly. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. If I go back to the animation and... So, Malte. Just needs a little bit more of character spacing. kind of like that. So then back to animation, go back here. Beautiful. All right, directional fall off. Where does this come in? Huh? What did this thing just do? Since when do we have a controller? Like where did this come from? Like, let me know. Okay, so I'm assuming it's an empty. So I'm gonna go to layout, shift A, empty, and it's a sphere, right? That's what it is. So I'm gonna call that controller. Like, way to mention that. GX. Okay. And then it's this controller. And then this goes into what? So fall off goes into what? I didn't see. Fall off goes into the factor. Oh. So this controls this over here. The factor. So with that, oh my god, I can control. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so if I go the directional fall, and then what else do I do? X, Y, Z is in, and then E's is in. Oh, I have to parent it, do I? Huh? Girly is confused. Okay, hold on. So if I select this and I go here, I don't see a controller, like what? Listen to what I say. Screams all sound the same. Oh, it's over here. Play Nexies. And then I don't think I have to parent it, right? So it's moved. What? GX, move over here. Kind of like, yeah, kind of like what I had. But it was arrows instead. Alright, then now what? Oh, so that's how I make. Oh, so it's kind of like the same thing. I still will have to animate it in geometry notes. Okay, hold on. If I do GX, that happens. Beautiful. Alright, so what's next? Oh, it's paused. I'm like, why is it not moving? So noise 3D and vector math. Okay, so Well, I have a noise 3D thing, and then I don't even know. At this point, I'm just putting up everything I see because I don't know what's what. And then the vector is where? For the offset over, where is it? Over here to the position. Alright, and then shift a float curve, which I am familiar with. I just have no idea where to put it. Between, I kid you not, like what is this? Oh, between Fallout. Oh my god. Fallout and the value becomes a scale. So between this gray line here and then should become kind of like this, maybe a little bit like that. And then let's see if I move the empty and I increase the scale, which is controlled by this. So the scale is how much of that happens. So yep. I though maybe don't want it to be too like big. I don't even know. I wonder. Let me see. So it says 16. And if I scale this object, this happens. Alright, and then let's see. If I select this again, I go back here. .2 for the frequency. Whoops. And then GX. Much better. Although I wonder, why is it so weird? No way. Still works. Okay. Moving on. But like the letters are so sharp here and mine are not. Do I have to increase the size or something of the actual nodes here? That's weird. Well, I guess. Interesting. Transferred attribute. Custom vector. So if I go to animation, I use the transfer attribute, and I put this to the custom vector GX. Let me see what difference does it make. Interesting. This is some next level stuff. Like, this is crazy. You're kidding me. So add vector. That's where in the middle right there. So here, let me just pull this up. Shift A, vector math, put that in the middle, change it to add. Shift A, combine X, Y, Z. Put that symbol. Actually, supposed to be supposed to be after, should it not? Let's see. Let's see if it's supposed to be after or before. So it goes in the Z direction. So it goes there, and then this. But is it the fall off or what? The fall off goes in the Z direction. So it'll go forward and backward apparently. And then that is going to go to this vector, this node, but is it going to go to the first one or the second one? It doesn't matter. It went into the second one because, the position, why is that here? This is supposed to be here, and that, perfect. Alright, and so that's how it's supposed to go that way. I wonder, this is good. Beautiful. But I noticed that a certain thing was changed. So the direction here is 1 and then the maximum 2. So if I do GX, how odd, now it's not working. Why does this happen to me? Oh my god, GX, and then it's not returning back to its size. How weird. So I must have disrupted something. What a mess. Vector, this goes here. The last ones, I don't even see it. Maybe that's why. Oh, come on. This is insane. This is getting so complicated. Okay, between the transfer and that one. So, which one? Just putting that one. Transfer. So this goes like all over here, this goes like over here. Oh my god, this is a mess. And then it goes between the transfer and this one. So if I duplicate this one, it would go in between, nope, wrong thing. Hold on. It would go in between the G mix and the transfer. So it would go between Gmix and transfer, which is this line. So oh my god, this is, I'm done at this point. This is so much. What? There's more? I can't do this. Okay, so it's the same thing at the bottom now. So it's the, did he duplicate? Okay, the one connected to the combine XYZ. Oh, and that's the one. Okay, so this is the one, right? And then everything else needs to be moved over here. And then I have this, and then I have this. But this is the same. Nah, bro, I'm lost. Oh my god. Wait, so the combine XYZ is connected to the G-force there, and that was connected to everything else, and the G-mix is the one connected to this one, it was connected over there, and there's supposed to be one that's at the bottom. So it's G. I am so confused. I am so confused. Like, actually. So there's another directional fall off, and I don't know where it's going. Like, what? There's only one going there, one going there, one going there. But it already has stuff. Nah, at this point I'm lost. I think I'm gonna start again. This is crazy. That's how my brain looks like. Let me think. Like, why are there two? Like, what did I miss? One goes to combine XYZ, which goes to the vector. Where is combine XYZ? Oh my god, it's not here anymore. Bro, what's going on? I'm so lost. It literally, okay, it's over here. Okay, that makes much more sense. Right, and then this one goes where? This one goes to Z. This one has no connection to it. Combine XYZ, so this one doesn't go there. This one goes to the Z. And instead, the fall off goes to the factor in the G, which is over here, but that's already there. And then it also goes to the float curve. And then it also goes to a new combine XYZ over here at the bottom. And then that goes this is crazy. Alright, so shift A, map range, and that goes in between these, and this one is hidden, and then this one goes into the vector here. And then it's changed to -1 and 0. And then I need to make sure it's in the Z, that goes to the vector, and then I know that there's add would go to the other. Are you kidding me? This is insane. So shifting again for the 5,000th time. And then this one is connected to the custom vector. Where is it? Of this attribute here. And then this is connected to the map range. The fall off is the value. And then I just want to be done with this. I can't do this anymore. Like, after, like, this point, like, 37 minutes, yeah, I was lost. Can we get to the material part? Are we there yet? Oh, thank God. Okay, but here's the thing. My thing completely messed up because it's not working. Like, I literally don't see it. I don't see my other stuff, and I don't know if it's because it's too small, maybe? Look at that, it just freezes. Like, what? This literally sucks. Where's the other one? What about the animation? There must be something wrong here. This is a mess. Like, actually. Is this supposed to be connected to anything? Because at this point... Hello? Colors connected to the vector. It's already connected to the vector. What is going on? I can't do this anymore. Does it have to do with the character spacing? Girly is confused. It was working before. Where did I go wrong? I don't even know what half these things mean anymore. That's so lost. Must be something wrong with the other one. So everything connected to the second one should be connected to this one. I don't have... Okay, there's this, and then there's this. Right? And then... there's this. And there's this. And then there's this. It's supposed to be over here. It's supposed to be over here. Okay, I just have to count how many, like, of these there are, and then maybe I'll gather myself. Nope. Alright, so let me count. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, not including input and output. So let me count how many this guy has. I don't know if I'm missing anything. How do I do that though? Does he ever show the full screen? I shouldn't even bother at this point. This is so tiring. Yeah, I'm not bothering to do this anymore. Okay, so let me just think. If I go scroll this back down, I wonder if it has anything to do with the scale. Well, so far, that's what I have. It's really bad. I do have another version of it because I haven't saved it yet. So let me open this. And it should be like the previous version before all this stuff. Hopefully I haven't saved. Alright, if I do GX, okay, so far that's good, it's working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control S this and save this one. No, I want to save as, save copy, Fuji, desktop, Blender, blends, save copy. Alright, and then I'll kind of start over, or not really start over, but you know. This is where I was left off, where it was working. And then kind of the movement part is where it kind of got lost. So let me go back to that point. But before that, I kind of want to make it pretty. But I could do that myself. Let me see, I was going to use some color, like a soft color, but I kind of want to do, oh no, it's gonna take, oh my god, why do I do this to myself? Which one is the one that doesn't work? Okay, this one is not the one that, well, this one is the one that doesn't work, and then this one, great, 5 hours now. Okay, where's the light? Turn it into 3 sun. Just GY, rotate. Okay, and then material properties, new. And then any day now. 5 hours later. Okay, Control S. Base color, hex, and then paste in 9BB1FF. And then I have to go here and then do Shift A set material over here to be that material. Oh, you're kidding me. Probably shouldn't have. Okay, wait. Let me close this one out. Put this here. And then what? Oh, well, that wouldn't make sense, right? Because it's hidden. So now what? There's always a problem. Oh, is it because I can't see it? That doesn't make sense. Oh, great. I can't see anything, actually. It's because of the light, isn't it? That's weird. What site's running an Eevee? Go to layout. I should be able to see it, but I'm not. And why is that? Oh, it's because I don't have the okay, 1 second. 1 second. Geometry nodes. Do you have relay? Oh my god, why does this happen? Okay. Why does this work and the other one doesn't? It's because I can't see it? This doesn't make sense to me. I set the material. Oh my god. Is it selection? Geometry. Let's see what he does. Like, literally, what in the world? What is going on? I'm so lost. That's exactly what I did. Oh. Oh, the rematch. Oh. Alright then. So, geometry nodes, and then new, and then just set material to be the material. There we go. I'm going to research as to why that works some other day, not today. Girly is tired. I wondered how light works here. Why is it the same color? Oh, that's why. Alright, and then right click, shade smooth, does it run stuff? No. GX. Well, I got to that part. Why does it look so weird? Oh, let me just select the shadow. You can also do rotate 90 degrees, and then G, Y, and then I can just make this, instead of that really ugly background, I could just do FFF, and then the light really gotta be working with me right now. Oops. Alright, and then if I do... It's very low resolution, but it's okay. Let me go to layout and animate this. Oh, it looks better like this. Well, so I'll pull up my time frame, go to this one, and at 80, this is probably gonna take all day. So I want it to be right here. Press N, hover over X, insert key, and press I to insert that keyframe, and then do GX until it stops affecting that letter, which is right here. Go to keyframe 80 at the bottom. GX again. Hover over X, press I, and if I go back to keyframe 1 and press N, play it, should play, but it needs to be faster. It needs to be way faster, so maybe I'll kind of excuse you. Select this one, put it this way, and end it at 40. Or not. Or I can end it at 20. How about that? I guess that works. It's very ugly, but whatever. Okay. Only thing is, if I it's not gonna really matter because I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, yeah, I don't even feel like rendering this because it's gonna take all day, but I guess I'll do it. I'll go to front view by pressing the button with the escape key, and then just pulling this down, then Control Alt Numpad 0. Well, it was a good attempt. Someday maybe I'll do it right. Someday being tomorrow. I still have to. What day is it? What? Oh, today's Wednesday. Yeah. Okay. Control S and then output properties. Where is it? Okay. Here. Desktop. Blender animations. And today is 7/13/22, and it is Saray Malte. Accept PNG, and that's it. And then render those 20 frames. Render animation. And then, oh wait. So that I just realized, like always, I forgot to hide the Saray and the Malte from the render. And because of that, now it's showing up with Malte, and then you can also see it in the back. So that sucks. I have to start again. So, no, not the plane. I wanted the Saray and the Malte here in the outliner. And then I'll just go ahead and stop the render, and I'll go to files. Where? Oh, I was just there. Animations. Where is it? This one, and I'll just delete all the frames that were already there. Oh my god, it was already done. Great. And exit out of that. And just render it again. And then wait again. Alright, so now that I'm at the folder, I see that all 20 frames are rendered, and then I'm gonna just go back to the Blender, exit out of the render, and then scroll all the way down at the top to the video editing thingy, and then add image, sequence, and then go where I put the images, select the first one, scroll down, shift select the last one, add image strip, and now I go to here, top right, in outline properties. I'm just going to select the folder for the video to be outputted in, and then I'm going to file format, it's FFmpeg video, and then the encoding container is MPEG4, and then output quality, high quality, Control S, and then scroll up at the top, render animation, and then in a few seconds I'll have my video in this folder when it feels like popping out. And this is the final result, and it actually goes by really fast. Oh my god, I didn't need to go that fast.